Welcome to my channel. How to set up your Orbi 860 series tri-band Wi-Fi 6 mesh system. Unbox, but keep it simple. You'll find the main router, the one with the yellow Ethernet port, and one or more satellites. Power cables, a network cable, and a lot of cardboard. Plug the router in, leave the satellites in the box for now. Disable your old router. If you're replacing another router, unplug it. You can't have two routers fighting for control. If you've got a modem, router combo from your ISP, either set that thing to bridge mode or disable Wi-Fi on it. Trust me, double NAT issues suck. Plug it in and wait. Connect the Orbi router's yellow internet port to your modem with the included Ethernet cable. Power both up. Give it a minute. You'll see a white LED ring flashing. That's Orbi doing its thing. When it settles on solid white or blue, you're good to move on. Use the app, because you have to. Download the Orbi app on your phone. Yeah, I know, you could use the web setup, but the app's faster. Open it, create or sign into a Netgear account, and follow the prompts. It'll find your Orbi automatically if your phone's on Bluetooth and near the router. Name your network something decent. The app will ask you to name your Wi-Fi and set a password. Don't use Netgear 123. Use something memorable. Once it reboots, connect your phone to that new Wi-Fi before doing anything else. Add your satellites. Now plug in the satellites, place one on each floor or where Wi-Fi drops. Lights explain everything. Magenta equals connecting, blue equals great signal, amber equals weak, move closer. If it stays magenta again, repair it in the app. Update the firmware. The app will probably nag you about an update, do it. These updates actually fix stuff. Don't skip it. Let everything reboot, grab another coffee, and wait until the app says all nodes are online. Walk around and test. Once everything's up, do a quick walk test, basement, backyard, upstairs, wherever. Run a speed test in the Orbi app or your favorite speed test site. You should see solid coverage everywhere. Thank you for watching.